you are looking for a beautiful wooden coffee table that has that rustic look, you're absolutely going to love this. It is 2 tiers. You got the metal base right over here. This was so easy to put together, came packaged really nicely. What you're basically gonna do is you're gonna take this bottom, you're gonna take these legs right here, you literally just screw them in, screw the top piece in, and you are good to go. This is 36 by 18. So this table is actually 36 inches across, and it is 18 inches high. This is the light walnut color. You can kind of see right over there what that looks like. You got all types of different colors as well. Really, really like this a lot. We have this in our living room. We're probably gonna put like some magazines or books on the bottom, and then on the top, plenty of room for coasters, TV remotes, all that kind of stuff. Just really, really like this a lot. So if you're looking for a great wooden coffee table that's easy to put together, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I can do this for you.